Have you ever wondered why Jewish people tend to be more financially stable? According to a Pew Research study, 23% of Jews in America report earning $200,000 or more annually. That's nearly 1 in 4 people, compared to just 4% of the general U.S. adult population. But this isn't a coincidence, luck, or a myth. For thousands of years, Jewish families have passed down financial principles rooted in their holy texts, which guide their approach to money, business, and life. These timeless rules touch every aspect of their daily lives and provide a blueprint for financial success. In this video, I'll reveal these principles in detail, showing you how they can be applied to your own life to transform your financial situation. Contrary to the misconception that Jews see poverty as virtuous, Jewish teachings actually encourage self-reliance and financial independence. Rabbis have historically viewed poverty not as a badge of honor, but as unnecessary suffering. Therefore, Jewish people are taught to work hard, pursue meaningful employment or business, and avoid being a financial burden to others. Even when they receive charity, they are still expected to earn a living. As many Americans and Europeans struggle with debts, Jewish people have found ways to thrive financially. But how? It's not about controlling the financial sector, a damaging stereotype, but about following clear, practical financial rules from the Torah. These rules begin in childhood, teaching kids the value of giving, saving, and investing. One tradition is the use of 5 jars labeled tithe, charity, investment, savings, and spending. Children are taught to allocate their money into these jars with a clear purpose. For example, they are instructed to give 10% to charity, not just as a kind gesture, but as a way to build trust and relationships within their community. The emphasis on giving, saving, and investing from a young age builds lifelong financial habits that help them grow wealth responsibly. Jewish financial principles go beyond personal wealth. They encourage thoughtful spending and living within one's means, while investing in education, skills, and the community. These are just some of the lessons that can be applied by anyone looking to improve their financial situation. Whether you are young or old, it's never too late to start applying these principles in your own life. The secrets to Jewish financial success are accessible to all who are willing to learn and implement them.